All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got something interesting over here to check out with you. This is HAOTZ EDC. This is the packaging in some cardboard, and there's 6 different designs that I'm going to share with you, and it's also like an unboxing of this haul. Let's do these 2 at a time without tearing down anything. So this is how it is going to show up. You can just open the bag and take out your toy. You know what? Let's do like this. Let's do all of them, because the other stuff is just like stickers, so not much. It's a simple package, effective, which keeps the costs down, and that is look at this. So that is the point. So here is the full set. Let's just get rid of this stuff over here. Full set of toys on the table. Check it out. Let's see what do we have. These are the same, I think, or not. This looks a little bit different actually in size. Yeah, just a little shorter, but probably same concept. So these also similar shape, just different size. In fact, this we can just spare this one. Let's do it like this. These are the 4 that we're gonna check out today. Vacuumed packs. Let me grab some scissors. Okay, and check out. I bet these are 2 sliders, 2 spinners. Oh, okay. Interesting. The ball is magnetically attract to the X or the O. So, you can just basically, it's like a roulette, X and O decision for you. There you go. No one can make them. And you're gonna get it to the circle or to the X. Pretty cool, actually. HAOTZ EDC right over here in the back. These are obviously 3D printed plastic. Oops, plastic, but seems pretty robust. The detail. Let me see if I can bring the light even closer so you can check it up close. I'm going to measure the weight and the size in a bit once I have. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. Let's see what we have here. Release. Oh yeah, of course. Other side, just some Teflon. Pretty clicky, smooth, nice finish, I have to say. That's good, actually. I mean, of course, these are like low. Okay, here you can feel the cheapness, much different level than these 2 for sure. This is another slider. It's interesting. It's well done. It's nice and smooth in this case, but you can feel it's a little cheaper and much louder than that. Let's check this last one out. Wow, that's some long spinning time right over here. You see it, of course, very much slow down. Oh, this is interesting. So you have with the centrifugal force the two balls, and then they are escaping, and then they are, let me see if I can, yeah, being attracted to the center. HAOTZ EDC, this is the logo that is reminiscent of something. And right over here is the lineup. That's pretty cool. Let's say two spinners with a function that is like to bet on something, and two sliders, very different. This is completely detachable, and this one is not. It's just like a ratcheting, rocketing slider right there. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.